traders, the Roybert here. I want to talk about emotion. I know there's a lot of videos out there about that. I thought I had it under control after a year of doing this, and I let it get the better of me. This last week, things were very volatile, or not very volatile. They were just bad. Things were very bad. Trading was bad trading. And the rule that I'm supposed to follow for myself is don't trade on a bad day, and I did it anyway. I did it over and over and over again, and it cost me more than I'm happy with losing. I got way past my acceptable loss for that short of a period. I can handle that much money over half a year or whatever, or 3 months or something like that, but not in a week and a half. It's only $500, but it's because I did stupid things, and it's because I acted emotionally. And then when even though I knew I was entering trades and saying, "Oh yeah, well, I'm going to do it anyway," rationalizing, I need to get this money back. I'm down too much, and I need to now make a big chunk back, and I need to do it all at once. And all of that is wrong. All of that is wrong, and that breaks all of the rules. And I know that, and I did it anyway, and I paid the consequences. And now I'm going to have to like put money into the account. Now, realistically, I've been doing this since last September. So over the last 10 months, I have put in a total of, I think, $4,600. And I'm now at 13. So that means I've lost $3,300. I'm down $3,300 from where I started. Now, 2 weeks ago, I was at $2,000. So I lost $700 in the last 2 weeks because the market was super crappy, and I wasn't paying attention to it just basically not coming through any day. Not any day. Every single day was worse than the day before. And you can tell in the morning when your options are so slim, and the ones that were super, super bountiful, I missed because I didn't trust them, and I missed them. I missed them. It's funny, you can miss an entry and be like, oh no, it's gone up, and it's already in the large percentages, like 250%, and you're like, well, that's too high to get in. How it's not, you can't go much, and then you don't get in, and then it's 300, and then it's 350, and then it's 400. I don't know what to do with that kind of stuff. I want to be on that trade, but there's no point where I'm okay. Well, let's get in here get in somewhere because it's going up. As soon as I get into things like that, they go down. It's like I'm somehow the catalyst for things collapsing. And I know that's insane, but that's what happens to me. So I have this dreaded fear of getting in on anything that's already climbing, because as soon as I get in, I guarantee you it will start to go down. So I'm always afraid of doing that. That's why I always wait for the bottom. And sometimes that's a mistake too, because the bottom, if it goes all the way back down, of course, to its low, then who's to say it has any reason to go back up? If it goes down partway and starts climbing again, then you've got something to work with. But it can't collapse all the way back down to its pre-jump level. If it's going along, let's see, what does it look like for you? If it's going along like this, and 5 o'clock in the morning happens, and it does this, and then it does this, and it does this, and it does this, and and it starts to go down, and then the day opens, right? The day begins, and it falls a little and starts going up, and starts going up, and that's when you're supposed to get in. But I'm not doing that. I'm seeing it go up, and I'm waiting. I'm like, okay, well, it's starting to go up, so let me wait for its first time to go down, and I'll get in. And it goes up like this, And I'm like, oh, I missed it. And then, so I'll wait. I'll wait till it really does come down. It does come down finally because it can't go up forever and it comes back down. And I'm like, okay, that's the spot. And then it never does anything again. All I can do is keep trying and not be burdened by how much money I've lost. It's not, like I say, it's not breaking me. It's significantly less than I would spend on any old man hobby, like my drone hobby, the quadcopters and FPV, and I spend more money on that than I'd like to admit, and it dwarfs the little bit that I've lost doing this, and this has taken up almost a year. So this is a pretty good hobby if it's just if I don't worry about like making money. I want this intangible thing that's either money or it's not money. I'm at the point where I don't need more crap. I don't need more junk. And I collected stuff. I tried that. I started in the 80s and comics and comic book toys and all that shit. Yeah, it went up. It went up like what? So I sold $1.75 comic for $9.50. I mean, sure, it went up. I saved that for 35 years. For what? For $6? I mean, if you put it all together, yeah, maybe I cashed in a little bit, or maybe not. Maybe I just got my money back out of my hobbies. Doesn't matter. It's a hobby. You're really not in it to make money. Collecting is bullshit. Collectibles is bullshit. Nobody makes money on collectibles. It's bullshit. And it always was. There's a once in a blue, it's just like the coin that's misprinted. A comic that, first print from the 60s. That kind of thing, of something that's famous. Give a crap about that. I don't give a crap about that. It didn't work. I'm old enough now to know better. I want money. And this is the way to do it. It's the easiest thing you can do to make money. And I'm not selling programs, and I'm not going to sell programs, and I'm not going to cheat you out of anything, as that's bullshit too. Because I'm not a thief, and I'm not a predator of some kind. I just want us all to get better at this, because this is going to be part of the new economy. Guys like you and me making our income from sitting on our goddamn asses like the rich people do. Okay, the end.